Good whānau, Riley here. Tonight we'll be making a basic beef stew for dinner. Our main ingredients for this dish are onion, potato, carrots, mushrooms, and beef chuck steak. We're going to begin by seasoning our steak. Our seasonings are flour, salt, and pepper. Cutting your steak into nice pieces like this. Once your steak is cut up like this, put it in your pot and mix well. We're going to brown our meat in a frying pan at a high heat. While that's browning, we're going to add into a pot onion, and some garlic. Once you've cooked your onion and garlic, add 1 litre of beef stock. And in goes our meat to cook while we prepare the vegetables. Peel and cut your carrots. In with the carrots. In with the potatoes. We're going to cut and fry our mushrooms before putting them in the pot. We'll be frying our mushrooms in some butter. Mushrooms in. There you have it, whānau, my basic beef stew. Thanks for watching.